So I tried Sugar Bear Hair, and this is my review with receipts. Hello everyone, Kayla here, and today I'm going to be giving a review of Sugar Bear Hair, the hair growth vitamin that took over Instagram and a little bit of YouTube because it is just super cute and it's a gummy. Here's one of my mini empty bottles here. I actually had 3 bottles of Sugar Bear Hair, so I have 3 months worth of receipts. Some of you may be wondering, like, Kayla, I've been watching you for a while, and so I'm kind of surprised as to why you would even try Sugar Bear Hair. So the reason I tried it is because I thought the color was really cute. It's like my favorite color, and it just seemed to be so popular, and I am such a big skeptic that I was like, let me try the Sugar Bear Hair. And I also want to be able to produce a little bit of a better review. I feel like a lot of the reviews of Sugar Bear Hair, the people either don't provide the information, like the results, or they like show normal hair growth, something that you could get without a vitamin, and then they're like, this is the results of Sugar Bear Hair. But I'm like, okay, I'm counting the months in between on the picture, and I'm like, I'm not sure if Sugar Bear Hair really provided that result that you just got. You know what I'm saying? So that is why I decided to go ahead and give them a try. I purchased from Ulta.com because I have, loyalty at Ulta. I got all types of points and rewards and stuff by buying these from Ulta. Plus, I was pricing out the shipping and the rewards and all that, and it just made more sense for me to purchase these from Ulta.com. You can get them directly from Sugar Bear Hair, and you can also purchase them in the Ulta stores as well. But I wasn't about to go and drive to Ulta to purchase them. I just was like, I'm gonna get it online because there is Ulta, but it's at least a 20-minute drive. So let me get into the actual details of the product because I feel like some people do not share these things, and I'm a weirdo, and this is stuff that I wanted to know before I tried Sugar Bear Hair. So as far as the taste of the vitamins, I feel like they taste like unsweetened raspberry lemonade, and that's just what it tastes like when you first take it. And then when you start taking them over time, they begin to taste like sweetened raspberry lemonade, and the texture of them is much like, those opaque gummies that come in the gummy pack, or like you get just one that's opaque, or now they make the whole packet of opaque ones that kind of extra tough but not tough, a little bit more give than the gummy ones, a little less chewy, whatever. That's what these are like as far as the texture. Now, of course, the stuff that goes to the hair growing point are the ingredients. Now, there are several different types of things. There are hair vitamins that have like just a few ingredients, and like they're just the hair growing stuff, and so you kind of can take a multivitamin with them. And then there are hair vitamins that are basically a multivitamin with a crazy amount of biotin. Sugar Bear Hair is somewhere in between there because it contains like a mega dose of biotin, and it has like some like things that you will find in a multivitamin, a couple of fat soluble vitamins. I'll link to my video that I have on vitamins. It has a couple of fat soluble ones in which I would not take a multivitamin at the same time that I was taking these, just because I don't want to OD on the fat solubles. But yeah, I'm not sure if this is a complete multivitamin. I feel like there may be some things missing. Either that or I'm tripping and it's been a while since I've taken a multi because I've been taking these. So I feel like this is kind of in between the multivitamin with extra boosted hair ingredients and the straight up just hair vitamin that ain't got nothing in it but stuff that's supposed to be good for your hair. You know what I'm saying? And also for my vegans, there is nothing in here that I can see that would make this not acceptable for us and our ethics. So that's also good to know as well. Now, of course, I know you came here for the results, but let me give a little bit of a disclosure before I give the results. Growth aids work typically by removing some sort of roadblock that's preventing you from achieving your genetically predisposed growth rate, okay? So within me, instilled by Brenda and Joseph, thank you, mama and daddy, my maximum growth rate is 1 inch per month. Now, I do not regularly grow 1 inch per month because I'm over here living my trash life, okay? I ain't gonna lie, I do eat, Gardein chickenless chicken strips and stuff like that. I eat stuff like that, okay? So I am not like at my maximum health whatever that I could possibly be at. And so for me to get that inch, I have to be doing the most, like scalp massages and vitamin regimen and things like that. So like my 6 inches in 6 month video, all that stuff, I gotta be doing that kind of stuff to get that 1 inch. But I do believe that that 1 inch is something that I am genetically predisposed to get. But normally I just grow my hair half an inch a month because I'm not at my optimum. I believe that this is the case for a lot of people. They have a maximum growth rate, they don't reach it, and then they find some growth aid that removes whatever that roadblock is, and they start to achieve their genetically pre-programmed growth rate that they are supposed to get anyway. So what I'm saying is no growth aid is going to put me beyond that inch a month. I've found that inch a month is the maximum for me and my body and my hair. The first photo that I'm going to share with you is from before I took the vitamins. I wanted to share these 2 photos, in fact, so that you could get a good idea of what my hair does without taking a hair growth vitamin. However, this is kind of shooting me in the foot because between July and October, I really did not achieve any retention. My hair grew, of course, because I'm alive, but it did not retain the full inch that I typically would get in a 3-month period for whatever reason. This did not alarm me, and I proceeded to take the vitamins. So the next link check that I'm going to show you is from January. At this point in January, I had taken 2 bottles of the Sugar Bear hair vitamins, and 3 months had passed. In a regular 3-month period without me on my maximum growth rate, I should achieve an inch or an inch and a half, but I do trim my hair in between these things. I'm a frequent trimmer. So I did achieve a full inch, but I'm just not sure that I can attribute it to taking the Sugar Bear hair vitamins. Now, I'm not going to say that these vitamins don't work. That is in no way, shape, or form what I'm saying. But what is a possibility is that these did not remove whatever it is that I need to achieve my full inch a month of hair growth. So we will see if anything else has been sped up after taking 3 bottles in my next length check, which I do my April length checks on my channel usually. So you will see if my hair grew beyond that number 8 line, and if it grew much farther beyond the line than 1 inch or an inch and a half, because at that point then maybe it is attributed to the Sugar Bear hair vitamins. And y'all know, if you've watched my channel for a while, me and the number 8 line have been in a very, very long battle. My hair grows to the number 8 line, and then it does not want to grow past the number 8 line. So we will all see. If you're interested in getting yourself some Sugar Bear hair vitamins, of course, I'm going to leave you a link in the description box. I would not leave you hanging like that. While you're down there, leave a comment, like the video, share it with your natural friends, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.